St. James bus with passengers plunges into gully. One person have so far succumbed to their injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A male occupant of a minibus that plies the Cambridge to Montego Bay route in St. James succumbed to injuries as a result of injuries he sustained when the vehicle ran off the road on the Long Hill Main Road in the parish and plunged over a precipice on Thursday afternoon. The man succumbed to injuries after the vehicle he was traveling in plunged about 500 feet from the Long Hill Main Road in St. James into a ravine on Thursday afternoon. Links 007 News understand that the man was described as unresponsive by passengers who went down the ravine to lend assistance to the injured people. When passerby climbed down the steep, heavily vegetated mountainside to help pull the injured people clear of the Toyota Hiace bus, they discovered that students suffering from injuries were among them. The male occupant of the bus who succumbed to his injuries in the St. James crash has so far been identified as 50-year-old Dylan Hines, the father of popular dancehall artist Topman. Hines was among several passengers in the bus traveling along the Long Hill Main Road when it plunged into a ravine. His son, who is known for songs such as Gal Code and Cash Ready, is currently preparing to tour the United States after getting his work permit.
Raymond D'Souza, acting senior superintendent, divisional commander of the Fire Brigade Division, St. James. Approximately 3:32 p.m., we received a call at our information room that a coaster bus with children went over the gully here in Long Hill. We responded promptly to the call. We sent out 3 units and 2 ambulances from the fire brigade. After we sent out those units, we put the Cornwall Regional Hospital on standby. When our first commander got here and he assessed the situation and we realized it was a highest bus. Highest bus was down the gully, mangled. We did some extrication and we extricate 4 children and 3 adults, and we send them to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. We did a 360 of the area because in situation like these and based off the distance from road, we did a 360-degree of the area twice to see if anybody else was thrown from the vehicle or anybody was near the incident. So the incident is now rendered safe because everybody have been out and at the hospital.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.